welcome to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle and I'm here to take you through some really awesome projects. Today we are doing our very first Pokemon. We are going to be drawing the classic Pikachu and I hope you guys love making this with me. I know I've got some hardcore Pikachu Pokemon fans, so I hope you love drawing this and I can't wait to see how they turn out. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to comment, like, subscribe, share, follow for more. We post new videos every week. Okay, let's get started. Wonderful, so we're just going to start with the top of our Pikachu head. So we're gonna make a nice shallow rainbow. And then for the ears, you can make nice long ear shapes. So I just did nice long leaves. Either side of that rainbow, we're just gonna go up and make some nice big ears. It's okay if they're not perfect. Then for the side of the face, we're gonna go out, in, and out. So like two little hills. So out, in, and out. Because Pikachu has a bit of a curved face for its little cheeks. And then we can just do a curved line going out and down for the side of the Pikachu body. Then for the eyes, we can just do two circles. And we're going to draw those reflections on the inside of the Pikachu eye as well. So I just did two smaller circles inside the eyes and then this little U reflection at the bottom. It looks a bit strange, but when we color it in, it'll look great. Then for the mouth of the Pikachu, it's just this little upwards arrow shape and then the little cheeks. You can do little rainbows on either side. For the arms, I also just did little curvy U shapes, where you can do your arms however you'd like to. If you want Pikachu's arms to be going out, you can do that as well. Then for the tail, we're going to start on the side of the cheek there and do an arrow going to the side, or like a V going to the side. Then we're going to start underneath and do a tiny line like that. And then we're going to make the line coming in towards that arrow and then back out again, away from the body. And then in towards the head, so it's kind of like a zigzag now, in towards the head, then out towards the edge of the paper. Then we can make the end of the tail here, so we're going to go straight up and then curve it down into the body. And then you have a Pikachu tail. If you'd like to, you can go back and re-watch that, but it's basically like a tall zigzag. Perfect. Then I added little fingers on our Pikachu and colored in the eyes with my Sharpie. You can grab a black pen and do that as well. Amazing. And then I also did the blacks of the ears. So I just did a curved line at the very top of the ears and then I colored it all in. Beautiful. Great job. And then when you're done that, you can decide what color you would like to make your Pikachu. So I'm going to do the classic yellow from the Pikachu, but you can do whatever color you would like to. And I know that Pokemon have their like upgrades. That's not what they're called. Now I can't remember what they're called. That's so bad, but that's okay. Or they like transform and they become bigger, or they change. I totally forget how it works. But you can also add any other details you would like to your Pokemon. So I just colored it in with yellow there. If you like the markers that we're using, you can also order them. We have them in our description down below. And then I colored in the little cheeks here. And I hope you loved making your little Pikachu with me. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to follow and subscribe for more.